The manufacturers are continuing to consolidate. So, the consolidation of manufacturing will continue to happen. That affects not only the manufacturers' reps, but it affects the distribution channel. As manufacturer A buys manufacturer B, there can be some churnage, there can be some fallout. So I think you'll see continued consolidation of manufacturers. You'll also see the expansion of the reps. Reps continue to expand their line card. Some of them are deciding to expand geographically, and other ones have decided to stay in their own sandbox, but yet acquire complementary reps inside that organization to make themselves even more valuable to the original territory that they're in. So expansion of the reps, globalization of the manufacturers, but also globalization of reps. We've seen a lot of interest in Europe and in Asia about the North American rep model. It's a non-stocking rep model here in North America, and in Europe especially, they're stocking reps, which means they're distributors. Mm-hmm. So there's a lot of interest in the North American model. So some of the reps are now beginning to plant flags in Europe. Right. And some of the European manufacturers are putting on distributors here in the Americas. So that will continue to happen. Supply chain weaknesses will continue to be a part of our industry. It's been like that since I've been in the industry. It's either a buyer's market or a seller's market, but supply chain weaknesses will continue to challenge all of us. Mm-hmm. Right now we're working through an era of excess inventory. So with too much inventory, there's a lot of pressure on the channel, a lot of pressure on the manufacturers, and we need to try to smooth out the supply chain. And certainly, I think that the return on investment that the reps make and distributors make, there'll be continued pressure on gross profit. Margins will continue to pressure both the reps and the distributors. So those are some of the trends that we'll continue to see. It will continue to be a tough business to be in for reps and distributors, but yet we've been dealing with these issues for the last 30, 40 years, and we continue to not only survive but thrive.